Hey y'all, the good folks over at KINGLEV sent me over a drain snake. This one's a little bit different than most of them that I have ever used. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's get her opened up here. Comes with a pair of gloves, some instructions, and our drain snake here. The reason why I say this one's a little bit different, look right here. This is for a cordless drill. You put it on there. The thing of it is though, you can't use a high powered drill. It has to be less than 500 RPMs. I think this is 550, so you just want to go easy. Don't go full force. Let me show you how this works. Unfortunately, I just had to have a plumber over, but I knew this was coming, but I couldn't wait. But next time I will have it. How this works is if you squeeze this trigger right here, it's got 3 fittings right here that squeeze up against this cable. You can watch this, see how that's unscrewing? Like that. So you can use it like that, but you have to squeeze this, because if you don't squeeze that, it won't screw out and it won't screw back in. Now, how you put this on a drill, a cordless screwdriver, something like that. Remember, not over 500 RPMs. You want to just put that on there, tighten it up. It looks like, you know what it looks like, but it's not. But you hold this 4 inches above your drain pipe. You can use this in a commode as well. But hold it about 4 inches above, like if you've got a washer drain, which is what I had, the PVC pipe sticks up, but hold it about 4 inches above that. Put it in there like that, and then squeeze that trigger. See how that's undoing? When you get ready to wind it in, just reverse your cordless. Just like that. Nothing to it at all. Very handy tool to have around. I'm going to keep this one handy because plumbers are expensive. I can tell you that one. But, we're not going to have that issue again, I hope. This thing will reach down your drain. I believe I read the cable length is 35 foot. And it says you can use this. It says pipe capacity 1/2 inch to 1.5 inch. So, you know, you can do a pretty good sized pipe. Really handy. It's a lot better sitting there cranking it. You just have to squeeze this trigger, and it is kind of stiff. This one's stiff because it's new. That might loosen up when it gets older. But that's all there is to it. Save you some money and get you one of these. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.